Hello guys, it's Warrior here and we are back with another Napoleon Let's Play episode campaign where we are playing as the British or Great Britain. So we're going to have two siege battles. We're going to have the assault on Strasbourg, which should open the way into southern Germany. And then we are also going to have, in quite succession, we're going to take control over that, Marseille. But then we're also going to defeat the Spanish force around Navarra, and then hopefully be able to push south and give this to Cartagena, since we created them as a puppet state. So let's first crush this Spanish force, which is not impressive, but they do have quite a lot of artillery that we will have to contain with 400 range. Alright, let's go. So they get 9-pounders. I think they eventually do get 12s, if I remember correctly. But they get 9s. Whereas the the French get 6-pounders and 8-pounders, and then 12-pounders, if I remember correctly. So the British don't get 12-pounders. I don't think. I'll double check that whenever I get out of this in-screen. So I'm not telling you a lie. But I do get two 5-inch howitzers with their explosive shells. Spicy. Alright. Ooh, okay. Wait a minute, hold on. Did they literally just put all of their... Alright, alrighty then. You're about to have one job. Where's my light infantry? Right there. Put you into a group. Line all y'all up. All of my line infantry. You'll be put into assault columns. Alright, well first... artillery. Move up to there. You into assault columns. Move. We're gonna go for a dashing cavalry charge. Which actually... Perfect. And now all their artillery is stuck inside the city. Pull back. Pull back. We don't want them to get shot at. Or shot. Not shot at, but just shot. In general. Are you seriously about to take on 4 units of guard cavalry with 1 line cavalry? That is rather optimistic of you. Stop and shoot, please. So then you charge into my light troops. 14th Hussars. Foot. Charge those guns down. What's your plan here, cavalry? Move.
Artillery reporting.
Wait for our artillery to get into range. I don't think they want to get into a gunnery battle with us.
Ready and waiting, sir. Group orders. Ready and waiting, sir. Line ready, sir. Forward orders. Ready and waiting. Hussars, save yourselves. Retreat. Line companies. Ready.
Go for them.
Orders. Artillery. Artillery.
That was idiotic. Their general's still alive.
We have killed their general, sir.
Oh.
Now they must break.
That's one lucky general.
Dragoons reporting. Yes, sir.
Oh, artillery. There. The howitzers. Stop bombarding them. Form up. Not many of you will be able to shoot. You'll be able to shoot from the comfort area anyway. King's German foot. Right there. Slam into them. Guard cavalry.
Glorious victory, sir, is soon to be yours.
It should be over soon. Pull back. One unit of Spanish regular. It's over. Charge him down. King's German foot. That was a heroic victory. That was not a fight against the odds.
Strength and honor.
Yep, I'll take that.
Ready for battle.
Peacefully occupy. Catalonia.
Forward! March! Your
I have no
Majesty,
reason to keep it. We'll
forward
move over
for
here,
crown and country!
and then we'll replenish, and then launch another assault into Spain. Now that we've created this mini little problem for them. Now, Strasbourg.
Settlement besieged!
That should be a... They get 8-pounders. No, 12-pounder. 6, a 9, a 9, a 9, and a 9.
We are
Okay.
mighty
Wow.
and unbound.
That was way too many losses.
At the ready!
Like an uncomfortable amount. I would not... okay. Yeah, I shouldn't have autoed that down. Alright, let's in turn, we got some more 5-inch howitzers coming out. Alright, so we need to start building all of this. You can be a trading port. And
Your humble
I
servant.
can move you over there. You're doing well.
Awaiting further order.
You got a bunch of militiamen.
Awaiting further order.
It's slowly getting ground down, so that's alright. That's we're at 6,000. That's not great, not terrible. Come in that position.
Orders, Captain.
Hello.
Prepare for action!
Yep.
Fleet ready.
You're just chilling up there, aren't you? Just chill.
Yes, Your Majesty. Ship's orders received.
Around there to be my...
With sails.
I think I'm getting up another exploratory or trading fleet. Looks like. Do it up with them. Alright. That's a turn. Marseille should fall. Whoa, hello.
For your life!
Huh. Yeah. Do have substantial force there.
Your humble servant.
You move there,
Any further orders?
and then I can cycle these two guys out.
Your humble.
Once they're fully fledged out, then we will push. We may push you into Switzerland actually, and let you hold Strasbourg, and then push it there. But it's time to seize Marseille,
Ready and awaiting.
which is
Begin siege.
surrender. Their empire is literally crumbling. What do I have to get for my objectives? The Danes, and this right here. And I would achieve it. Okay. Don't even have to take out France, really. If I wanted to. Well, we could, and we'd be fighting on a front like this. So, what are they doing? Let's see if I can bribe you. Austria. Interesting. Ottomans. They have more technology than we do. Alright, and I gotta seize Gibraltar. So we'll do that. With Arthur Wellesley's army. Me send him some reinforcements. Not really reinforcements, just more troops to help curtail
Yes, my lord.
the Spanish problem. Like, I could probably hold this with this one army and then move him west. Because he's about to attack into Italy, which is woefully unprepared for such a eventuality. Like, at all. I don't even know if they have enough money to pay their troops, to be honest. Alright, let's... Oh yeah, I was dropping off some artillery, that's right. Let's have rebellion. Yep.
Ship's orders. Set sail. Jump cannot lightly. Ahoy. Fleet ready.
You just kind of hang out, and actually what we can do is let's get one of them to hang out. You're gonna go with them. Get me another. Yeah, we're just gonna hang out here.
Orders, Captain. Yes, your majesty.
There's a second rate with you. You should be fine.
Aye, aye, sir. Ready for action. Make ready.
Yeah, I'm not too worried about that then.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Ready and awaiting orders.
get a little bit more recruitment, and then we'll push on Spain proper. Catch this force.
Proud and victorious. More orders.
Yeah.
Troops, forward.
Yeah. Oh, how is my 89%? You need to get the boot. Morally impaired. Damn, I'll put it to next turn. Agrarian. Good for you. Navy, we're good. We're there. Just everywhere else, we're kind of incompetent. But we'll see about that. Alright. You.
By the left. Make ready.
Bring you around. Actually,
Orders.
I'll bring you back.
Under sail. Make ready. By the left. March.
You are attacked. Now you can defend yourself somewhat.
Your majesty.
How are we doing?
This land is ours by right. Make ready. On. Make ready. On.
They're okay.
Yes, my lord. Foraging supply. Yes.
You could use some more line infantry.
You're humble, sir.
Move in. Keep Piedmont, Sardinia. Reestablish that glorious location. Would give you southern France as well, but we'll hold off on that. How much longer? Not much, and we should be able to move. Because we took a mauling. I will do one more turn, and then I'll pull you to that bridge. Yep, we're going to Corsica.
For your life!
Nice, move you there.
Troops! Forward!
Move on Spain. That was idiotic of them to do that. Move you in.
Forward! March! Sir, your orders?
Almost ready.
Troops! Forward! Troops! Forward! Sir, your orders? Your orders, Your Majesty.
Where's the two?
Yes. Aye, sir. Set sail. Your Majesty. Jump to it and look lively. Set sail. The fleet. Jump to it and look lively. Heave away, boys. Heave away. Orders. Aye, aye, sir. Orders.
Alright, y'all come down here and get control over
Aye, sir.
down here.
Aye, sir.
Get some more money going.
Yes, sir. Destination ahoy. Set sail. Jump to it and look lively. Make
Oh yeah, I
ready.
forgot about you.
Battle stations! Battle stations!
Destroy that.
Orders. Run out the guns!
Keep crippling them.
Ready and awaiting orders.
Is there anybody to stop me?
Gathering supplies.
Nope. Keep you up here.
Where to, Captain?
Get there.
Heave away, boys. Heave away.
And then two more of that, and then a few more infantry, and we may make our...
Bristol fashion, Captain.
You'll come here and then reinforce this, and I'll swap out some of the guns. Probably the 6-pounders.
Sir,
Yeah, you'll get moved to a defensive
you
role.
are humble, sir.
You on the offense. Alright. There we are, and what we got? Ooh, the Italians are moving to intercept. That's what I'm talking about, Italians. Get roads. Yeah. Yeah,
Yes,
we'll be fine.
my lord.
Moving against Piedmont.
Siege is lifted.
Sir,
Onwards!
this is a bad place for an
Sir!
army to camp.
You ask too much.
That's a terrible spot.
Your orders, your majesty.
Italy arises. Now we have some Italians loyal to Napoleon to face. See if they'll take the bait and try to attack me in a straight up fight.
By the left.
Crushing them and then pushing east.
Your majesty.
Alright, let's move.
Troops, forward. Make ready for battle.
Boom. Let's crush Madrid.
Ship shape and Bristol fashion, Captain. Yes, your majesty.
Cut off all trade. Starve the Spanish out. One way. Resistance to foreign occupation. That's
Orders.
definitely resistance.
Fleet
Spanish are known
ready.
for it.
Aye, sir. Ready and waiting.
Could get a national gallery. That would help. Engineering school. That gives me experimental howitzer and rocket troops. So the biggest cannons I can have is 9-pounders. That's what I thought. And then staff college. All it really gives me access to is the Coldstream Guard, Horse Guards, the 10th Hussars, and I think I already have the Royal Scots Greys. Oh no, the Royal Scots Greys. That's a new one. Plus all these guys. The Coldstream Guards, which I think I only get one of, if I remember correctly.
Make ready. Your majesty.
Could move on Switzerland, try and take it, or wait for the 5-inch howitzers to arrive. Where are they?
Fleet ready.
Oh.
Yes, Captain. Foraging supply.
Make your way to the area,
Forward.
and we will launch our assault against them.
Yes, my lord.
Not yet.
Drop anchor.
Oh, Spain.
I demand satisfaction. Sir. Siege works
Continue that.
underway. Sir. Men. Sir. Forward. Your orders.
There we are.
Ready and awaiting orders.
Some local Italian militia.
Foraging supplies.
Could launch an assault and just fight these troops. But
Your orders, your majesty.
because my troops are better than his, but we shall see.
Yes, sir.
as a general. What are we researching? Oh, Orleans, you're not researching anything. So let's go there. There we go. There. You're doing that, so you can get staff cartilage, and then we'll do modern rifles. That'll help. Alright, with all income.
Ready and awaiting orders.
We're waiting on the howitzers to arrive to begin our assault.
Ready for orders.
You will launch a
Onward!
cavalry raid into French territory and do a reconnaissance in force. I think this is where we'll end it. Not a terrible place to end it, not a great place, but not terrible. So, until next time, hope you have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one as we begin our assault into southern Germany. Italy is cleansed out, and we also deal with the Spanish. So, until next time, ciao for now.